What if you could step into another world, a world where you're the hero, the explorer, the creator, but with so many headsets claiming to be the best, how do you choose? The wrong choice could cost you hundreds and leave you with a paperweight. I've spent the last 6 months and thousands of dollars testing every major VR headset on the planet, from the big names to the hidden gems, and what I found shocked me. The most expensive one isn't always the winner, and one underdog headset completely redefines value. In this video, I'm breaking down the only 4 VR headsets you should even consider in 2025, and the number 1 pick, it's not what you think. Let's find out. Starting at number 1. MetaQuest 3S. The MetaQuest 3S is the least expensive way to get into VR without making major compromises. It's a standalone VR headset with color pass-through cameras and the same processor that powers the higher-end model. In fact, it's nearly identical except for the display, which isn't nearly as sharp or has as wide a field of view. Still, it looks good for the price. This is the ideal introductory VR headset if you don't want to spend half a grand trying out the technology. It has everything you need for a strong VR experience, although its picture quality isn't as good as its more expensive sibling. Number 2. Sony PlayStation VR2. The PlayStation VR2 is a significant upgrade over the original, combining the PlayStation 5's power with new eye tracking and motion control technology that makes VR games even more immersive. Plus, the lightweight headset has impressive specs, including a sharp OLED display that delivers a 2000 by 2040 pixel image to each eye. The PSVR2 is designed for gamers who are committed to Sony's next-generation vision of virtual reality. After all, the headset's not inexpensive at nearly $600, and it lacks backward compatibility with original PlayStation VR games. However, this comfortable and impressive hardware has its own strong library. Number 3. Valve Index VR Kit. Valve's PC-tethered VR headset is pricey and doesn't stand out much from the competition. The headset is just one part of the VR experience, though, and the Valve Index really impresses due to its other major component, the controllers. They're revolutionary, able to track individual finger movements and make games that take advantage of the feature much more immersive than the standard trigger grips on other controllers. It's fantastic to see your fingers wiggle in Half-Life, Alex. Although the headset isn't outstanding, it still offers crisp, smooth graphics with a high refresh rate. The system integrates with Valve's Steam Store through Steam VR, offering an extensive library of VR games. Even if only a tiny fraction of them support finger tracking, this is the go-to VR headset for use with PCs, thanks to its strong performance and revolutionary controllers. If you're just starting with VR on PC, go with this one. If you already have a Steam VR-compatible headset, such as the Vive Pro 2 and its base stations, you can buy the controllers for $280 to breathe new life into your VR experience without investing in the full Valve Index system. You can also use the Valve Index controllers with the Quest 3, 3S, or Pro headsets, though you'll need an $80 MetaQuest Link cable and the $300 base stations. Number 4. HTC Vive Pro 2. The HTC Vive Pro 2 targets enthusiasts and professionals with the sharpest VR picture available at 2448 by 2448 pixels per eye. It works with Steam VR and has its own VR software store, Viveport. The store offers the subscription-based Viveport Infinity service, starting at $5.99 per month, which provides unlimited access to VR experiences, a nice bonus if you want the best VR experience available without diving into pro-level extremes. The Vive Pro 2 combined with Valve Index controllers is the combination to get. It'll cost you at least $1,300 before factoring in a PC with the necessary specs to take full advantage of the headset's capabilities, but you'll enjoy amazing visuals and controls. So there you have it. The virtual reality landscape in 2025 is more exciting than ever, and one of these 4 headsets is the perfect portal for you. Ready to jump in? All the direct purchase links for these 4 amazing headsets are waiting for you in the video description below. I've even included a link to my favorite accessory that doubles your battery life. If this guide saved you time, money, and confusion, please smash that like button. It truly helps support the channel. Share this with a friend who's thinking about getting into VR, and subscribe, because next week I'm revealing the one VR game that will literally blow your mind. Thanks for watching. See you in the Metaverse.